Hi, my name's Annie from Motormatch Chester, and today I'll be taking you around one of our used cars for sale, which is this Toyota CHR XL CVT with a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. This 2023 vehicle comes in a stunning Decuma Grey colour from one previous owner, and it boasts a full Toyota service history with the last completed at 7,693 miles. The vehicle's automatic LED headlights, daytime running lights and front fog lights ensure you're seen at all hours of the day, and the car sits on these stunning 18-inch alloy wheels for a fantastic look. The vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors as well as a rear view camera, making it easy to squeeze into any tighter parking spaces. And moving into the boot now, as you can see, the boot provides a great amount of storage space, and you do have the option of folding the rear seats for any large items if you wish to do so. Into the rear seats themselves now, they're finished in a full leather upholstery. We have seating for 3 people here with both end seats including ISOFIX child seat preparation. Moving into the driver's side of the car now, we have the front seats. These seats have been designed to provide excellent comfort on those longer journeys, and they can be heated, which is great for the winter months. The multifunctional steering wheel provides the driver with access to controls such as volume adjustment and the telephone controls, as well as the cruise control and speed limiter, which is great for motorway driving. Taking a look up behind the wheel now, you'll find the exact mileage and any trip information. And then moving over now to the main media screen. On this media screen is where you have access to your entertainment options. So you have the choice of the DAB and FM radio wave bands with a variety of preloaded radio stations to choose from. However, you can connect devices via Bluetooth and USB, and you can also access apps and your Mimecast there. You can use the Bluetooth function to connect your mobile device to make and take phone calls whilst out on the go with ease. And then by going into your vehicle tab, you can view and adjust any vehicle settings, view any trip information and information such as your energy flow. This vehicle does come with satellite navigation, making it easy to reach your chosen destination, and from here you can plan routes, save addresses and locate nearby points of interest. In your connected menu you have your notifications and your web browser, and you can adjust any settings in the settings tab here. By popping the car into reverse, it will bring up the display like so for your rear view camera, alerting you of any obstructions when manoeuvring. Moving down now, just below that media screen is where you'll find your controls for your dual zone climate control, ensuring the internal temperature is perfect for you and your passengers all year round. You do also have your buttons here for your heated front seats, and then moving down just below there, you will find a USB port for connecting devices. Just beneath there you will find a cup holder, and moving back you have your leather trimmed gear selector. Just behind there you will find your electric parking brake as well as another cup holder, and then finally you have your armrest, which opens up like so for storage of loose items and to reveal a 12-volt socket. Thank you for watching this walkthrough video of the Toyota CHR XL CVT, and if you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please contact our sales team here at Motormatch Chester.